two types of people: those who prepare for an emergency and those who wait for the emergency to happen before they start panic buying and preparing. Which category do you belong to? I would prefer if you belong to the first category. Then we can both grab our bags and head out the door if there's ever an emergency. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. We'll be discussing how to pack your bug out bag. Stay tuned to this video if you need help packing your bag. First, we need to decide on what to pack. Whenever we pack our luggage to travel, we sometimes end up packing items that we won't need on our trip. The same thing happens when we want to pack our emergency bags. We may be tempted to fill our bags with everything we own when all we need is just our essentials. Please, keep it simple. Pack items you will actually need. Now, this next one is important. Leave some room when packing your bag, just in case you need to pick up an extra item on the way. Another tip you should practice is having a backup for every item so that if one gets lost or broken, you can replace it. This way, you won't feel stranded or disorganised while on the bug out. If you have canned food, medicine, vitamins, and other items with expiry dates, always check your packed up bag and change them periodically. This way, you don't carry expired items on your bug out. Another thing you should consider before packing your bag is the terrain. The route you will take or the environment you will be bugging out to is important. Always carry items suitable for the environment. Now, on to the business of the day. Organising your bag. I have read in different articles that there is no specific way to pack your bug out bag, but I beg to differ. When you consider your health, the route and items, there are two ways to pack a bug out bag. With the first method, you need to organise your items into urgent, non-urgent, and emergency categories. The items at the bottom of the bag will be non-urgent. In the middle of the bag, you should place urgent items like food, water, cooking gear, and others. They are better off in that position so that you can easily access them. The top of the bag should contain those items that you need to access within a moment's notice, or your emergency items, and they should be kept on you or at the easy-to-reach parts of your bag. Now, the second way to pack your bug out bag should be in terms of weight. You need to pack your bag in a way that the heavy items are closest to your spine. This way, you don't put all the weight on your back or shoulders. Proactively packing your bug out bag will help you avoid throwing random things in, which could slow you down, lead to back pain, or cause injury. Instead, you should pack your bag in an organised manner. If you have any tips that have helped you pack the ultimate bug out bag, I would love to hear your own suggestions or any questions in the comments. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you next time.